Hello, and today I'm Theophilus, and today I'll be giving a walkthrough of a simple ordering app, multi-product ordering app that I built using Quasar and NestJS for the backend. So when you load up, the URL of the app is going to be in the bio of this video. When you load up, this is the home page that you get, and then there's a button that leads to the register page where you sign up as a user. Now you input your details and then you register. But because I have already registered before using my email, there's going to be an alert that would not allow me to log in using the same email. So just put in the details that are needed. So as you can see, it says email already exists. So you can just log in with the email since it already exists in the database that has been stored. Now, the database that is used for this project is postgreSQL. So we enter the credentials and then we log in. Now it automatically takes us to the cart page where you can see if there's an existing order that's a existing product that's been selected to be checked out. But if not, you can navigate to the shop page where we see the different products that are up for sale and we can select as many as we want. Then go back to the cart page to select them to see if we to confirm that we want them, and we can increase the quantity even from the cart page. See, I can increase product 5 to 2, increase product 2 to 3, or remove product 3 totally. Then we can also remove product 6. So it's just made so we can see because the order has been placed successfully, because the user is successfully logged in within the database. There is the I use JSON web tokens to authenticate every user. So it is the order has been placed under the user's info in the database. Now we can check the mail if to see the notification that was received from the app. So we can continue shopping or view order, and then this is what the notification looks like when it lands. Now, this is the notification that has been received to our mail, and this is what it looks like. So it says your order of the total price of what we bought, 299.94, has been placed successfully, and then it lists out the items that were bought. So we can see the items that were bought: two pieces of product 5, three pieces of product 2, and one piece of product 3. And then it says thank you for shopping with us. So this is the notification that is received from the app after order has been checked out. Now let me show you the code base that makes everything work. Now this is the code base that makes the notification received in the mail. So we can see here how it records the items that have been bought, the total price, and then the user. So because the user registered with his email, the email is going to be extracted from there, and then it will be sent using this in this format to the mail. Now that's the code base that makes that work. And then there is also the authentication for every user that logs in or that registers there, because I use JSON web tokens to authenticate every user and to assign every user a specific hash so that to stand alone even in the database. So you see, it generates the JWT that is used by every user. Now this is for the backend, Nest using NestJS. So there's also the front end that I built using Quasar components, and we can see here the different pages that have been rendered on the app. So from the register page to the cart page Now, this is the part that holds every product that the user has selected for. If the cart is empty, to say the cart, and if the user is not logged in but tries to make a checkout, it will prompt the user to log in. And then it also maps every, or it lists out all the items that the user has selected for checkout, and it gives the total price here. Then it's for debugging purposes, I render the token and the other data, what the user has, this product that the user has selected for checkout, to display them so that it can send them to the backend. Now, this is the code base that makes the app work, and it has been sent to GitLab. I will share the link as well of that to the. I will attach it to the bio of this video. Then I for the backend, there's also the Postman collection that has been used. Yeah, we can use. Let's just create a different persona to test the API that's been deployed on render. Both the front end and the back end were deployed on render from a GitLab repository that's been saved there. So let's say first name is John, and then let's just use John Doe. So this will just be John dot Doe. It's just a test sample. So when we click send, quasar was used because of the cross-platform compatibility that it has. Just use the same code base to create the same app for both mobile apps, desktop apps, and then for web apps. Also, apparently the email already exists, so I've probably used it when testing out earlier. So let's just say John Doe. It shows that the API is active and is working. And see, this is the domain that's been assigned to it from render. And this is the message we get. See, user registered successfully. See the token that has been assigned to the user using it's a JWT token. So then when we also test for John do password, so then we send this. So we can see the login also was successful, and then it redirects to the cart page. The same token was used here. Now, if we were to take this token to make a a, a test, to do a checkout, to create order that will be as the user, that will be sent to the backend, and for the notification to be sent to the user. So we'll change it here, we'll change it in the header. So taking this and we paste that. So let's check the body request. Okay, so it says now this is the format in which the order is going to be. It's going to be the items, and then it's an array of the items and then the total price. So when we send that as well, we would get. So you can see there's that it's a successful checkout. It gives the user ID, the ID of the order, the name, the number, the password hash. That's the return message that it gives with a checkout successful. So you can see that the API works. So I said earlier, the link will be put out for all of the from the GitLab repositories to the Postman collection. So thank you. This is just a walkthrough of the the user registering, login, and other creation app that I've created using Quasar for my front end and NestJS for my back end. And Now, future enhancements that could be made to this app is probably the use of more specific notifications, and then a creation of an admin page and then a profile page as well, to make things easier for the admin to add products to the app, and then for the users to customize their own accounts, and then probably machine learning based personalization for each user, so that they can get products that are customized to their preferences. So, and once again, this project is hosted on Render, and you can find the GitLab repository. You can find the GitLab repository and the Postman collection in the video description. Thank you for watching.